I saved $16 on this primer. The original price was $32. And this is the Dew of the Gods primer. I'm curious to see if this product is expired or unused. Let's find out. And as you can see, this is sealed. Definitely a new product. Oh, it smells so nice. Bubblegum. Well, I don't see much of a difference. The consistency is actually very nice. And right before I started filming, I decided to press this pimple here. Yeah, that was not a very wise decision. It is very lightweight and comfortable. I can't say it is something miraculous. For now, it looks like my skincare. I'm gonna place it in third place. With the rising prices, I wanted to find a way to buy luxury makeup for cheap, and I found this website that has crazy discounts. Why do you think these products are so much cheaper? Are they overstock items and maybe expired? Or is it a PR marketing strategy so more people can use those products? Let's find out. And this is a foundation that I have paid for half price. The original price is $24 and I have saved $12. It is by the brand Liss Beauty and you can still buy this foundation. It is not discontinued. It is super bougie and beautiful. The packaging is not faulty at all. It is definitely not used because the pump here is completely clean. Testing time! Here we go! It is almost scentless. That's a very good sign. It looks super natural on the face and we have a color match. This is looking amazing on the skin and you can also build up the coverage. I love that. This foundation takes the first place. I think it is worth the $12, the $24. I saved $20 on this concealer and it is by the brand Subscribe. I'm joking, but subscribe if you haven't already. And you can also join my membership and use the cutest emojis ever. Drop in the comments what is your favorite emoji. So this concealer is by the brand One Size. I was gonna say One Piece. And it is not discontinued. So maybe the lower price is a marketing strategy.
We don't say no to that.
And let's see how it looks and if it is unused. It looks new to me. It is almost scentless, so maybe it is just my antibacterial wipes that I'm sanitizing my hand all the time between swatches. Ooh, this is very light for me, I think. I'm really curious to see how it looks. Oops. Is this a lot of product? It feels a little bit drier. Oops, maybe I have applied too much. It's not a very creamy concealer and you need to hydrate your eyes very well before using it. It's not so easy to blend. However, my eye doesn't look drier. It looks high-end, so I'm gonna say it is worth the money. I would prefer if it was a little bit creamier, so I'm gonna place it on second place. This face palette is being sold for $36 and I bought it for only $7. Can you believe this? I don't think this is expired or faulty. It is completely sealed. The box is super cute. Moment of truth. Oh, we have
more plastic.
It smells bad, very chemical. I hope it is just the packaging and not the actual powders. ASMR moment. The packaging is very bougie. It's not scratched. Very new. Oh no. Is something broken? No. It came shattered. And in here we have a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. I'm gonna take very carefully the bronzer. What is happening to my cheek? I have like an invisible line. Maybe I need to change my brush. I have removed the outer layer to see the finish and the swatches. It is also not easy to blend.
What is going on?
Something is off with the color. It is reddish. Now let's go to the blush. Again, something is going on with the blush. It's looking
patchy.
Why? I'm taking some to just swatch because this is not the color that I have on my face. It looks very orange here. On my face it is pink. And you can see it's not blendable. And now I'm taking the plastic layer that has some of the highlighter. This is also flaky. I'm so disappointed. We know now why I bought it for $7. I don't like this palette. I don't think it is worth the money. And I'm not gonna place it on any of the tiers. I paid $2.50 for this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. The original price was $25 and actually I bought it in a bundle of 2. So I have paid $5 for both of these. This highlighter is actually discontinued. That's why I bought it so much cheaper. Both of the boxes are a little bit scratched. Do you think it's gonna be expired?
I hope not.
Ooh, it is so bougie. It is not scratched at all, so I don't care about the box. It's time to swatch it. Oh, nothing is coming out. Is this completely dry? And let's swatch it. Ooh, that looks super pretty. It's very blinding. I really like it. I wish I bought some other shades as well. It looks so much better than the previous highlighter. It is mesmerizing. This is definitely worth the $2.50 and I'm gonna give it the second place. So the concealer goes to the third place for now. And I have here a pretty expensive brush trio. The price of it is $41, but I have paid only $5 and actually this brush trio is discontinued, so we're gonna find out why. I'm hoping these are super divine. Oh, where are the other brushes? God. We have a soft matte finish for the handles. The bristles are super soft. They are very well made. Let's see the eyeshadows that I'm gonna use them with. I've paid only $3 for this palette and the original price was $35. I paid $3. Who can say no to a $3 eyeshadow palette? And it is actually discontinued, so let's see why. Swatching time. Wow, they look absolutely stunning. They are buttery soft and super blinding. I don't know why they are discontinued. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow Las Vegas and with the eyeshadow brush. The mirror is not super practical to use. This looks super pretty. I'm going to take some with my fingertip. I really like this eyeshadow. I'm taking the bigger crease brush. The bristles are super soft. For the lower eye, I'm gonna take this pink shade with a smaller crease brush. Ooh, it looks super pretty. And this is not actually a very good brush for the lower eye. So I'm going to take a smaller brush to give justice to this eyeshadow. And I want to highlight the inner corner with this shade here. And this brush is also very nice to blend your shades. I also want to see this shade on my eyes. And I'm going to add this on the outer part. Oh, that's so pretty. The brushes are a W, very good quality. I'm gonna place them at third place. Oh, the concealer is out. I think they are worth the money, even the $41. Even though I like the eyeshadow palette, I'm not gonna place it on the tiers because I like the other products more. But this is not a bad palette and I paid just $3 for it. For the lips, I bought this liquid lipstick for $7. The original price is $18. Yeah, it is like a drawer. It looks divine. I'm playing a lot Candy Crush. It looks very luxurious and glamorous. Let's see the color that I got. It's like brownish. Oops, it's a little bit drier. I need to remove my lip gloss. It is by Maybelline. I'm also covering a little bit the outline. Here we go. I'm very nervous for some reason. Okay, the color is more brownish than what I was expecting, and the applicator is great to outline the lips. It's super creamy. I'm trying to find in my notes if this is discontinued because it's so good. It's not discontinued. It looks very soft on the lips. Let's do the kissing test. Yeah, it's not transfer proof. It's very creamy. I actually like it a lot because it is very comfortable, and also I love this divine packaging. I think it's worth the money and I'm gonna give it the third place. Bye-bye brushes. Drop in the comments what do you think about these products. Are they overstock, expired? And make sure to watch this video as well.